Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Photopea to create a t-shirt design. So before starting, make sure that you know your print shop's required canvas size and file format, often pink with transparent background. And by the way, this is useful so you can produce a print-ready design with transparent background and high resolution. So first, you will have to open your file and then you will click New, and then you will set the canvas size to the print shop spec. For example, let's set it to 3000, and then 3000 for height as well. And then for the DPI, let's set it at 300. And then what you will have to do is click create. And now once we're here, you will add your artwork. You will click file and then you will click open and place, which is right here, and then just choose from your images the one that you want for your picture for your t-shirt. And yeah, you will just have to click open. And then once you have it, what you will have to do is place an SVG or ping vector graphic. If you're using raster art, make sure that it is high resolution. And then you will click edit, which is right here, and then you will click free transform once you already have your image here. And then what you will have to do is just position and scale it. Hold shift if you would want to keep the proportions, by the way. And if you need transparent background, you will just have to click the eye icon or delete it, and make sure that the canvas background is transparent. Add text with type tool, which is right here. You will Which is right here. And then what you will have to do is apply print safe colors, and then you will use image. And then what you will do is click adjustments and then click the saturation, and or set exact hex codes in the text color selector. And when everything is aligned, you will just have to explore your file, and then you will click export as or export layers, or whatever that is showing up here, and you will just have to export it as ping. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.